go. They go all the way up that branch.
What's your face?
Yeah, I guess.
I think that's plenty.
You want me to hold it while you snip it or anything? Or are you gonna? There's a little bit on this right here. Oh, they fell.
Okay.
Well, some of them did. Still a few on there. Yeah.
This is close enough.
Yeah.
Take them over.
See.
You think they're right there? You close it?
They should be.
What I could do is
See if they start walking in after you do that.
they are.
All right, perfect.
Squeeze in there.
Sweet.